In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a folder in Yahoo Mobile. If your inbox feels crowded, folders are a simple way to keep things organized. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to tap, what to look for, and how to give your new folder a clear, useful name so you can stay on top of your messages. Start by opening Yahoo Mail on your phone and going straight to your inbox. This is your home base and the quickest place to begin. Make sure the app is up to date so the layout matches what you see here, and give the inbox a second to fully load if your connection is slow. From the inbox, tap the inbox label or the area that shows your folders to reveal more options. On most devices, this brings up the Folders panel or a list that includes your existing folders. In that view, you'll see an option that says Create a new folder. If it isn't immediately visible, try scrolling the folders list. The option is typically near the bottom. A quick tip: layouts can vary slightly between Android and iOS, but the wording of the option is consistent, so look specifically for Create a new folder. Once you tap Create a new folder, you'll be prompted to name it. Pick a name that clearly matches the emails you plan to put inside, like receipts, travel, school, or projects. Short, specific names are easier to scan and help you file messages quickly. If the name is already in use, choose a variation that still makes sense, such as Travel 2025 or Project Alpha. Avoid overly long names and try to stick to plain letters and numbers for the best compatibility across devices. After you confirm the name, your folder is created instantly. You should see it appear in your folders list, usually in alphabetical order. That's it. Your new space is ready to use. As a best practice, keep your folder structure simple. A few well-chosen folders are easier to maintain than dozens of rarely used ones. If you ever change your mind about the name, most versions of Yahoo Mail let you edit it later from the folders options. If you don't see the Create a New Folder option at all, double check that you're viewing the inbox and the folders list, and try scrolling to the bottom. Updating the app and closing and reopening it can also help refresh the interface. And that's the entire process. Open the inbox, find Create a New Folder, and give it a clear, helpful name. Enjoy a cleaner inbox and faster email management.